Hello, my beautiful people. Yeah, today is CPI. Yeah, today is CPI news. Yes, who took the trade for CPI? Someone that did not know me asked what is CPI? What is CPI? CPI is fundamental news, it's fundamentals. So when after news, as in okay, it's a news. I've been waiting for CPI since, I didn't enter trade. CPI was 230. I was waiting for it. I just couldn't enter any trade. Yeah, I caught my trade, sir. Just waiting for this news. So and today CPI is positive, meaning is US dollar. That is the currency, US dollar. Meaning if you have a pair of currency, let's say you have a pair of currency that has US dollar first, as the CPI comes out, it's now positive. It means it's going to go up, like it's going to be for a buy. It means anything you're doing, like all the trades you're supposed to enter is for a buy. You understand? Maybe let's say you have, let me show you an example of a pair. Let's say USGPY. Everything is going to be, you can see, is for a buy. It's going up is for a buy, because the news shows that it's positive. The CPI news today for US dollar is positive, so everything will be going back. Then when you have a currency pair that has maybe is the is not the best currency, we call it the best currency, and the one that is the secondary currency. So the best one is the best currency is that is the first, USGPI is showing first. You understand, just like this. So the US is the best currency here, so the market is going up because the news is positive. It came out positive. So when you go to your chart, you're going to look for any currency pairs that has US dollar. You're going to put buy. But when you go to your chart, and also let's say a currency pair that has a hair like gold, let me give you an example of gold. Let's say gold chart. Let's go to our chart. Let's see, gold is going to be going down. It's going to be for sale, because here is a secondary the money, the dollar is secondary. Sorry, I don't know what I'm saying. Sorry for that. Gold, then US dollar is secondary. It's not the best currency. It's a secondary currency there. So as the CPI came out positive, it means because it's a secondary currency, it's going to be sell. Do you understand? I hope someone picks something here, So that's that for now. So if to say I enter trade for gold, I'm going to put sell for that period, from that time. By now maybe I've picked my profit. So let's go and see what we have. So me, I traded pounds GPY. Where is my pounds GPY chart? Let me look for it. I traded pounds GPY. Yeah, this is a trade I enter. But for me, mind you, I waited for the news first, because yeah, I suspect the news to come out positive, but I waited. I don't even know why. I was busy doing something, so I waited for the news to come out first before I now enter this trade, and I enter my buy, my buy trade. So as you can see, for the pounds GPY is trading well. Everything is going on well. Yeah, so that's that for now, and CAD GPY. I traded CAD GPY too. Let me check what is happening in CAD GPY. CAD GPY. Where's my CAD GPY? Here. This is a trade I trade. I entered the trade for CAD GPY. So that's that. For now, our trade is trading. Thank you, my people. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button, click on that like, share, comment, tell me what you want to know. If you want me to teach you on fundamental news, or actually what I really know on fundamental news that I can tell any trader is just for me. At times though, when I analyze the market, I didn't figure it out. I just wait for the news to come out first. That's what I do. So when the news comes out and I see the direction of the news, so I take the trade maybe for like 30 minutes or 1 hour to that direction of the news. So thank you for that for today. Thank you and bye. Like, come your way with yet another video. Bye. Love you guys. Please don't forget to subscribe, support your girl. Thank you.